in the next 4 to 5 years, our country is going to have the major epidemic of fatty liver. What does it mean by epidemic? That means practically 1 out of 3 is going to have severe fatty liver and complications of fatty liver. What does it mean to have a fatty liver? The liver is the powerhouse. So when I eat something with fat, it does not go to the liver first. It gets into the bloodstream and goes to the rest of the body, and then finally gets to the liver and gets converted to cholesterol. When I eat sugar, when I say sugar, I'm talking about anything that is sweet in the form of fructose, F, that gets into the gut and goes to the liver, and in the liver it becomes fat. What else can I eat that makes my liver fatty? Sugar makes it fat, fruits make it fat, vinegar makes it fat, alcohol makes it fat. Vinegar comes from alcohol, honey makes it fat, agave nectar makes it fat, all the hidden sugar in the foods you eat makes it fat, bell peppers, Tabasco sauce, sweet potatoes, yams, onions, carrots, beets, they all give you sugar. When consumed in excess, go directly to the liver and make the liver fatty. When you eat dried dried fruits like dates, raisins. People say, oh, I eat a lot of raisins in my cereal, dates. What do? They make the liver fatty. So once the liver becomes fatty, what happens? Imagine this room as a liver cell. As you start stuffing fat into it, what happens? The cell starts to expand. As you stuff more fat into it, the cell expands even more. After some time, it can't expand anymore. What happens? It bursts. When it bursts, what happens? It releases liver enzymes which get into the circulation. You go to the doctor's office, you give blood, and he says, hey, your liver enzymes are elevated. That means, what does it mean to you? Nobody explains to you. When I see my liver enzymes up or your liver enzymes up, it means only one thing. The liver cells have burst and the liver enzymes are out. When a liver cell bursts, what happens? It collapses. When it collapses, what does it become? Scar tissue. So every time you eat or drink something wrong, you're making it fatty, you're bursting them, and they're collapsing, and you're replacing it with scar tissue. If you keep doing this, after some time, what are you left with? A scarred liver. If you scar 80 to 90% of the liver, can you still have normal liver enzymes? Yes. Can you still lead a normal life? Yes. Would you have any signs and symptoms? No. What are the only 2 symptoms most people complain when they lose 90% of the liver? Fatigue and mild memory loss. I have fatigue when I work too hard. I have memory loss. I don't know where I put my glasses or where I put my car keys, but that's normal. That's all you have. But when you move from 90 to 95%, now you're on the edge of the cliff. You're going down fast. Once you knock off 95% of the liver tissue, you will die very quickly of liver failure. And now this is what we expect to happen in the next 5 to 10 years in this country, and there will not be that many livers to give you for liver transplant. So what should you do? Have fatty liver and scar the liver and damage the liver and wait for someone else's liver? What if someone else is going to donate his or her liver and find out that half of it is already scarred or fatty? How is that going to help you? Second, if you are 150 pounds runner, you're running fast. You become 350 pounds, can you run fast? No. Similarly, when the liver is full of fat, it is not functioning normally. What happens? Your ferritin level, ferritin is a protein that binds to the iron. That goes up. That means now you're storing a lot of iron. When you store a lot of iron, what does it do? Think of it as rusting of the liver. If you keep rusting of the liver, what happens? You're scarring it, destroying it. The point is simple. Eating sugar causes fatty liver. Drinking alcohol causes fatty liver. Eating honey or agave nectar or dried fruits causes fatty liver. But there are other causes which cause it, but predominantly these are the causes. Now, how do I reverse fatty liver? Very simple. Go back to the cause. Refuse to eat anything that is sweet. You start reversing fatty liver. 2, if you fast once a week or once every 2 weeks for 48 hours drinking water, you will suck the fat out. I have multiple patients who have merely changed their diet and adopted fasting, reverse their fatty liver in less than 30 to 60 days.
Now, when you say reverse it, what do you mean? How do you define reversing?
Reversing meaning they are able to suck all the fat out of the liver and bring the liver back to normal completely in less than 30 to 60 days by merely changing your diet and adapting fasting. You will be able to suck the fat out of the liver and get your liver function back to normal very quickly.